In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to pick the perfect aquarium heater, master temperature control, and keep your fish happy for years instead of just weeks. Ready to upgrade your tank stability and avoid all those sudden disasters? Let's dive in. Most fish problems don't start with dirty water. They start with unpredictable temperatures. Fish are cold-blooded, and their health, appetite, and even their mood all depend on the water's stability. Even small temperature swings can stress them out and make them sick. Trust me, stability beats chasing that perfect number. Think of it as the foundation for your entire aquarium. Now, let's talk heaters. Don't just grab the cheapest one off the shelf or guess the size. I always go for 3 to 5 watts per gallon, and if my room runs chilly, I bump it up. Adjustable heaters are a must. They let you fine-tune things, especially as they age. Glass heaters work, but fully submersible ones are safer and much easier to place. Remember, quality matters because these things run 24/7. Heater placement is where most people slip up. I always put mine near the filter output or a circulation pump. That way, heat spreads out, and you avoid hot or cold spots. Placing it horizontally or at an angle keeps the heating element covered and helps distribute warmth evenly. And never forget unplug before water changes. It's a simple move that can save you a headache later. When it comes to setting the temperature, most tropical fish are happiest between 76 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. I set my heater just under my goal, double-check with a trusted thermometer, and let the tank run for 24 hours. Never trust the heater dial alone. Always check. If I need to adjust, I do it slowly, no more than 1 degree per day. Every tank deserves its own thermometer. I stick mine on the opposite end from the heater so I can actually see if the warmth is spreading. For peace of mind, especially with expensive fish, I use a temperature controller. It'll shut things down if the heater goes haywire, which has saved me more than once. Heaters fail, and when they do, it's usually stuck off or stuck on. Either way, it's bad news. In my bigger tanks, I use 2 smaller heaters instead of 1 big one. If one fails, the other gives me time to react. I check my heaters every month for cracks or corrosion, and I replace them every couple of years. No exceptions. Seasons matter more than you think. In winter, heaters work overtime. In summer, tanks overheat fast. I keep my aquariums away from sunlight and vents, and when the room heats up, I lower the heater a notch and boost surface movement to keep things steady. Finally, long-term stability is all about habits. I check temperatures daily, watch my fish for stress, and keep a backup heater handy. These small steps keep my tank thriving year after year. A stable temperature is an easy win for healthier fish and fewer problems. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. I've got plenty more clear, practical aquarium tips coming your way.